this life and it's hard. So please lead the way with your heart.
Hey, I'm looking all around when I see him be ashamed, cause they're stuck in their head in this game. Some people really wanna just change their life, cause it's all so strange, man. Things are really happening deep inside. They just wanna, well, run, but they have to fight all day, all week. Yeah, all their life they've been struggling, they've been going hard, they've been trying, but they're falling. Yeah, I'ma tell you, my dog, listen, there's someone calling. It's an angel on the line that is on the other side, that just tells you that you can. Do not give up, just this fight. This is life and it's hard, so please just lead the way with your heart. Cause this is life and it's hard, so please just lead the way with your heart. This is life and it's hard, so please just lead the way with your heart. This life is hard, this life is strange, sometimes a cage. You locked inside with all your thoughts, just counting days. They're crushing in, they're coming big, you see the waves. Cause you ain't thinking about your life and how you waste your time, waste yourself. You will never be wealthy, you will never be great. Yeah, you will always be average, man, you will just never persevere. You cannot go be a savage, but here's that thing, yeah, deep inside that you are not really just getting. You were just thinking so different, man, you should be consistent. You should keep on building so you can really get it. It's a journey, it's a road. Sometimes it's ebb and flow, cause you sailing on the waters. Yeah, sometimes you gotta roll, cause it's sometimes so great, sometimes bad days, sometimes good vibes, sometimes no change, sometimes so great, sometimes bad days, sometimes good vibes, sometimes no change. This is life and it's hard, so please just lead the way with your heart. Cause this is life and it's hard, so please just lead the way with your heart. This is life and it's hard, so please just lead the way with your heart.